If you're dealing with gray hair between salon visits, you know how frustrating it is when you just got your hair done and you're already seeing the gray come through. This is a root touch-up system that is going to help cover those grays so that you don't have to spend the time and money at the salon so often. You can just touch up your roots and be good to go. So this is great for women, for men. There are different colors. This is the medium brown, but they have all the different colors that will match your hair color. You can also use this for your eyebrows. This is a really great set, and it does come with pre-measured tablets, so there's no worry about if you have too much or too little. So let's go through everything this kit comes with. So it does have some really great instructions here that tell you how to prepare the formula. You've got the brush here to mix, and then everything you can need for the mixing. You've got this little thing right here. Here are your tablets, and there is enough here for 20 applications, so that is a lot of touch-ups. This isn't a solution for a full fix of your hair, but it will get you by while you're waiting to color your hair. And then here is the application brush that you will actually apply onto your hair. Everything you need is right here. So what I love the most about this is it's just a simple setup. You just mix the tablet, apply it right onto your roots, and you are good to go. You leave it in for a few minutes, wash it out, and I have seen really great results from this. And I would highly recommend if you are in between salon visits, if you just need a root touch-up, you need some help with your eyebrows, this is a really great set. Go check it out.